You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at palm oil business. Do you know that this is one of the most lucrative business in Nigeria that anyone can step in? You don't need any skill in order to make profit in this business. I assure you that. 2, this business is one of the businesses that does not fail. 3, it's an untapped area. Why? You are not the one to process. Don't be scared of how will I process. In my area, we don't have palm oil. If where you are living, where you are watching me from, you don't have palm oil, then this business is for you. I tell you, because now in my own area in River State, the oil is available. The palm oil is available. I tell you, so you can come in, buy, and take it to your own area, sell, and get your money. Now, if you can also turn it to be your own company by getting your bottles, bottle it, and distribute to supermarkets. That way you make more profit. Another way is that you can decide to export it. If you export, if you know how to send oil out, you contact your customers, your buyers there, you can make more. You can even advertise on Amazon and still. There are a lot of ways. So the business is very, very lucrative. Now, how much do you need to start this business? 25 liters of oil in my area is 25,000 naira. That means you can even start this business with 200,000, 300,000, 1 million naira. The beauty of this business is that the more money you invest, the more profit you have. Within a range of 3 months, 2 to 3 months, you make your profit. 2 to 3 months, you make your profit and reinvest in the next 3 months. Now, during the dry season, you have palm oil everywhere because the palm tree will always bear fruit and the fruit get ripe during the dry season in Nigeria. I'm using Nigeria as an example. So during the dry season, you have palm oil everywhere, and it will be very cheap because everyone has palm oil. They just go to the farm or go to the forest, harvest, and then process. So the price drop. Now, after 2 months or 3 months, the price will skyrocket. It will rise like something else. Now, between this period, this range of time for this price to come down again, it will take like 2, 3, 4 months for the fruits to ripe again. Now, if you have capital, what people are doing is when the oil is in excess, when it's in surplus, you just buy and store. You don't need any preservative. You don't need to add anything. All you need to do is to prevent air from entering. Now, the money in the bank, the one you save in the bank, is not doing anything. Why not put it in this business? Go to local markets. Visit local markets in Akwa Ibom, in River State. Get this palm oil, good ones, well processed. Not the ones that you see, some of the oil you buy in Lagos, you buy in Abuja, and other populated states. Another populated states in Nigeria that are not Niger Delta states. Most of them is not oil. They are not oil. I can chemicalize it. I can also show you the process, how people use chemicals, colored chemicals, and mix it with little oil, and it will just appear as if it's oil. But when you touch it, it stains your hand as if it's permanent. It's like dye. It's very wrong. So I can't do that even when I know the process. I cannot do it because it's very bad and it's damaging to the system. But some of the oil, if you touch them, it will stain your fingers like dye. That is not oil. But this one, we're talking about original palm oil, that you get it from the farmers, you get it from local producers, only exposing the amount you possibly buy in my area. 25, sometimes it drops to 18 to 20,000 naira. Most times it drops to 18,000 naira. Now, if you know that season and you come here, you get enough oil and move to your own zone, to your own area where oil is very expensive, and sell. It's just like those who go to the north to buy cow and come to the university to sell. They are making millions because here the cow you buy 200,000 there. Here you are selling it for 500,000. So people are making a lot of money from just buying, shift it to this place, and they slaughter and make good, cool cash. So it's a very lucrative business. Don't just keep your money in the bank. It will not add anything. It will not yield anything. Inflation will affect it, and there will be no profit. So instead of wasting your money there, why not bring it? Why not, invest? Let's assume that you are buying. Let's estimate high. So let's assume that you are buying for 25,000 naira for that 25 liters. 25,000 naira per jerrycan. Now, if you were able to buy 50 jerrycans, that it will cost you 1,250,000 for 50 cans. Now, the least you will sell, within that same market. I'm using my own market and what I've seen in our own market, in our own local market, where they sell this same oil 25,000 naira per jerrycan. In 2-3 months time, if you are able to store in 2-3 months time, you will sell in that same market for 32,000, 35,000, most times 37,000 naira per 25 liters. Now, if you are selling, let's use 32,000 naira, that means you will make from each can 7,000 naira. In 3 months or 2 months, you make this amount, 7,000 naira. Now, my elder sister invested in it, bought 25 cans, and then she made 10,000 naira from each can. 10,000 naira clear. I don't want to use that. I want to use a minimum amount, so 1,000 naira per can, and you invest this amount. In 2-3 months time, you are sure of making this amount, 350,000 naira, without doing any job. Your own is just to buy, put it in cans and keep. In 2-3 months time, you sell. Now, people come from Delta, come from other parts of the country to this market I'm talking about in Rivers State. Now, you can get this oil in Rivers State, in Akwa Ibom State, and other parts of Niger Delta. You can also get it in Imo State at a very affordable price. Take it to your state where the oil is expensive. I know the cost of palm oil in Abuja will not be the same with Rivers State where we produce it. And so if you have, let's assume you have a van, you have a good car that can carry up to 50 liters or 50 cans of this oil, that 25 liters up to 50 cans, and you have a car that can move this palm oil from Rivers State to Abuja or to Lagos, to other parts that oil is expensive, and you bought it for 25,000, I know that right there you may sell it to at 40,000, 50,000 naira, depending on the price. So you can see how beautiful it is. Easy. Now, if 1.25 million can give you 350,000 in 2 or 3 months, let's think about, what if you invest 10 million naira in this business? So if you invest 10 million naira in this business, you can do the math and see the amount it will come out. So it's very lucrative. Don't keep your money in the bank. It's not adding, it's reducing. Inflation will affect it. But if you invest in this business, neat and clean, you are not doing any job. When once you get the oil to your house, you relax. All you do is think of distribution channels, and you make clean, cool cash. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Drop your comment. It's very important. Now, one of the most important things you should do for me is to like this video. Please like this video. See you in our next video. Bye-bye. Did I really say anything reasonable?